Luke, we've been waiting for you.
আমার কাছে এখন লোকে একটা কারণেই আসে, বলে ফেলো।
But my point is, if this makes any sense to any of you all, we have tried to make a bloody good film. So you jolly well come and watch the film if you have the bloody guts to do it and support us instead of watching us and just saying hi, bye, thank you, clicking selfies. Have the bloody guts to come and watch a good film, because I think this film is a bloody good film. And we have great actors in Calcutta who can still challenge and make a film worth its while. Thank you, Pratim. I feel honored to be a part of this film.